Okay, so we have a fire extinguisher, foam fire extinguisher. We're going to put out this fire in a minute, which is a wood fire or solid fire, which is a class A fire. Okay, so the method that we use when we're using a fire extinguisher is the pass method. So pass stands for pin, so you pull the pin out. A stands for aiming at the base of the fire. S stands for sweep, and we need to squeeze the trigger. Okay, so we're going to use a sweeping motion and we're going to squeeze the trigger as we do so, aiming at the base of the fire. So we have our fire. Okay, pass. Pin, take the pin out, get your nozzle, aim the nozzle at the base of the fire. We're going to sweep and we're going to squeeze the trigger.
It's YouTube Pro 4, so let's do this.